So here I am just randomly going through my shop, making sure everything is in order, right? You gotta make sure everything's still running. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait a second. Something looks out of place over here. Why, what happened here? What happened to the face of my Howard Miller Shelbourne regulator? Look at that. The face got removed. Very strange. There's the hour hand. Well, this could be another much better in-depth look at what a Howard Miller regulator looks like. Wow, that is sure something. Just a measly piece of tape right there. That is the front of a Hermle 341020 movement. Look at that. Well, let's go ahead and see what it does. Oh man, that is so cool. That rack right there will just drop since this is the hour. Now that is impressive, but an unusually small hole. It's a very small hole for that. That is the front of a Hermle movement. See, there's the winding ombre. This is very neat. Well, hope you all enjoyed that in-depth look video. It's one of the most in-depth look videos of this model. That is just impressive. Well, I'll see y'all later.